Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general reading for Taurus Earth sign, and this reading is from August 11 to August 20th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Taurus. Three of Swords, Three of Pentacles, King of Swords. I think one person in this connection is heartbroken because there is no equal give and take. One person invests in this connection more than the other person, and now you decide to stand by your power. I think it's you, Taurus. If they don't work as much as you, as if they don't invest as much as you cut them off, because this time you stand by your power. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. That is past energy. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Ace of Cups. I think it is self-love also. You love yourself more than anyone else. Seven of Swords. Yeah, it is self-love because there is no equal give and take in this connection. Ace of Swords. Yes, truth coming out. And Seven of Swords, some miscommunication, false communication, and the truth is coming out. You love yourself than your person. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energies here, or water energy. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and under the deck Five of Cups. Yeah, your person feeling very sad because you walked away, because you are not talking to your person. Or you or your person put in Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Taurus. Nine of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Queen of Swords. I think your person loves you. Two of Cups is here, but without you they are also like happy single. You don't communicate, your person also, okay, you don't communicate, I will also not communicate, because Queen of Swords and King of Swords, you both are stubborn with each other, but still love is there between both of you. So let's pull some more cards from universe for final message, Taurus. If they did wrong, they did not even say sorry. Seven of Wands, Five of Pentacles, separation. One person walking away from you. Four of Cups, Queen of Cups. Yeah, you both have emotions for each other, strong emotions, Queen of Cups. But I think it's you, Taurus, not accepting the cup of love which is offered by your person, because their behavior, their false communication, whatever they are hiding from you, you walked away from your person, Five of Pentacles, and you are guarded right now. You don't want to give another chance to your person unless they realize their mistakes. Until they realize their mistakes, if they realize their mistakes, they will come with an apology. Then you will think, otherwise you don't want to accept their offer. Still you have emotions, you stand by your ground, because self-love, you are doing self-love. Because Ace of Cups, you are okay without your person, but you both love each other. Two of Cups is here, but you both are stubborn. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.